This is a demo on Uday UDH50 fully automatic insulation resistance tester, which has got a built-in rechargeable battery and comes with a charger and complete flexible testing leads. The test voltages are 500 volt, 1000 volt, 2500 volt and 5000 volts. The maximum measuring range is up to 1 tera ohms. The UDH has IR, PI, DAR measurement facility. IR stands for insulation resistance. PI stands for polarization index. AR stands for absorption ratio. IR test is a simple IR test. PI test is the ratio of insulation resistance value after test for 10 minutes and after test for 1 minute. The PI test is factory programmed. Selecting PI and the output voltage range, the program automatically performs the test, displays IR value after 1 minute, 10 minutes and the PI ratio. DAR, short form AR, is the ratio of insulation resistance value after test of 60 seconds, after test for 15 seconds. This is as per international standard. The AR test is factory programmed. Selecting AR and the output voltage, the program automatically performs the test, displays IR value after 15 seconds, 60 seconds and the IR ratio. Now we will show you the operation. Select IR. For example, in this case IR, we select 1000 volt to 2500 volt. Press enter to start the test. You can again see what you have selected. It is 2.5 kV. You press the test button and the test is being conducted now, and you can see the output light LED going and the output coming to 2.53 kV and the resistance range is 10.7 giga ohms. Now you are completing the test and you have an option of saving the test by just pressing the enter and say save test. And now it has been stored in the database. 8 tests can be saved in the database, which can be recalled with day, date, time. Now we press an exit button. Now we go and do the AR testing. AR testing, select AR. Again you can select whatever range you want and you can see the LED will change from 2.5 to 5 kV, and we select 5 kV. We do the test and select, it says the test voltage is now 2.5 kV. And now you can see it is automatically counting the 15 seconds and now it is going for the 60-second test. You can see the value in 15 seconds, which is 10.44 giga. And after the 60 seconds complete, we can see the ratio and all the test results. And we can see the voltage selected was 5 kV. We are getting output of 5.09 kV. And after 60 seconds complete, it will automatically get stopped and the output will switch off. Yeah, and the test is over. The buzzer sound has now you can see the test in 60-second result is 10.45 giga. The ratio is 0.1.00. And now you can save the test by pressing enter. It has been stored now. And similarly, same way you can go for the PI test. For example, PI test also the screen would look like this. You can select whatever voltage you want. At 2500 you see all it is programmed. First I60 stands for 60 seconds, I10 stands for 10 minutes test, and then ratio. So basically this is a test. Since it's a long test, we would not like to conduct now 10 minutes on the video. This system button is for seeing the test results saved and setting the day, date, time. For example, view record. You can view record whatever you have saved. For example, we have saved the absorption ratio test. Output was 5.09 and here are the results. Then you can see the next result, number 2. Here says the number 2 of the sales, and this is the IR test which we did. So, and you can see the day, date and the time. Date was 23rd Jan and 11.29. So yeah. and the tester comes in an ABS body plastic, which we will show you to you, and comes with a complete flexible testing leads. This is the ABS body, and the testing leads can be seen here. Thank you so much.